Hello, hello, this is Cruisin' Chris from EndlessHorizonVacations.com coming to you from perfect day at Coco Cay. As you can see, behind us is the Perfect Day Island, and it is the best activity island fun park in the Caribbean in my opinion. So if you'd like to come here, please check in with us. We are here on the Mariner of the Seas, right here at the Flow Rider. It is closed right now, but it is about to open up in a minute. And all of the water slides, a fabulous ship. It holds just over 3,100 people, and it is a lot of fun. But what is more fun is Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So please reach out to us. We'd love to book that trip for you and take care of all your travel needs. And all of our information is down below. So I'm Cruisin' Chris, EndlessHorizonVacations.com. Hope to talk to you soon.